Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Hit the subscribe button if you're new. Like this video. That's the only thing I'll ever ask you to do. Visit the blogs, links are in the description box below if you're looking to download stuff and things like that. Okay, let's quickly go into today's video. I'm always asked what would be my best tip for somebody looking to succeed in forex trading, for somebody looking to make lots and lots of money in forex trading. What is my one secret tip? If I have only one secret tip to give, forget all the conversations and stuff like that. A person just wants one single tip that can transform or change their forex trading for the better. I will tell you one tip. It's risk management. Risk management. Start and finish. Risk management. Risk management is where many forex traders fail at the game. That's where you are failing. Risk management. First and foremost, as a trader, your job is not to try and make money and stuff like that. Of course, you want to make money, but your job is to preserve your capital. That's your first priority. Preserve your capital. When you preserve your capital, it means tomorrow you can come back and try again. If you cannot preserve your capital, today's losses can simply get you out of the game, and tomorrow you are no longer there. So if I have a single simple tip to give a forex trader who wants to transform their trading, it will definitely be risk management. The beauty about risk management is, trust me, I've seen it. With proper risk management, you can actually take a series of losses. You can hear this. You can take a series of losses, and you only need that one win that will transform your account, because you've got proper risk management. Your losses will not be enough to destroy your account, even if you have 3, 4, 5 consecutive losses. With risk management, proper risk management, you only need that one trade that will recover all those losses. For example, let's say you were this person. You thought here the market will go down, and you sold here. You sold there, and your stop loss was somewhere in this region, and obviously the market turned against you. You lost that trade. You tried another sell again. It looked like it was dropping, but again your stop loss was hit, and eventually probably you sold there and the market dropped. With proper risk management, it means you are able to stay in this trade for the duration of it. Which means you are able to recover from these two losses that you encountered here. So risk management is important. Don't forget risk management. Don't try to make money fast with your forex trading and neglect to manage your risk. You need to manage your risk. Know how much you are risking. Know how much you are risking per trade, how much of your account you are risking each time you are clicking sell or buy. Is it enough to destroy your account? Is it enough to ensure that you survive the day if something happens? That's the thing. Don't put all your eggs, don't put all your faith in one trade. Don't try to have faith in a single trade. It's the market. It's not controlled from your home. So the market will do what the market wants to do. And sometimes, even when your analysis, when everything is lining up, say for a sell here, everything is lining up for a sell here, the market will do what the market wants. It will continue going up. And you wonder, what's the problem? What did I do wrong? What's the problem? What happened? Because the market is the market. The market will always do what the market wants to do. So risk management, don't neglect it. One single powerful tip that I can give to anybody who wants to succeed in this game and who wants to one day also show off with the cars, with their house, with the women and the booze, everything that Forex is nowadays. So risk management, look at how you are risking, how you are placing your stop losses. Of course, people tend to have a standard stop loss, say 30 pips. That's how we are taught. But what I discovered is you actually need to think about your stop losses according to the market conditions that are in the market. When the market is so volatile, it's so easy for your 30 pip stop loss to be hit. And when the markets are quiet, you find that your stop loss, your 30 pip stop loss will hold. So don't always have a standard stop loss. Have a dynamic one which suits the current market conditions. Your stop loss must suit the current market conditions. Okay, so if you have thoughts, what are your tips, your single tip for somebody looking to succeed in Forex, somebody looking to make more money in Forex? Leave it in the comment section below. Subscribe if you are not yet subscribed. Until next time, bye.